There's something that's very rooted with still playing with big bands. Why is it that you choose and would opt out of other gigs?
The big sound that comes from from the big group, like the camaraderie of the band. It's always such a fun thing. You wind up having to play elements of music together. It's just a lot of fun because you're playing everything that you've always been practicing, and to get to do it live with guys that like some of the baddest guys that are around right now, it's just a pleasure and it's an honor.